In a bustling meadow, far from the city's noise, lived a vibrant colony of bees, in a hive full of poise. Queen Buzz, the wise, ruled the hive with grace, while the diligent kept the workers in their place. One day, the hive's food supply began to dwindle, causing worry to spread and anxiety to bindle. Dot, with concern, went to seek the queen's advice. "We must find a solution to this crisis, or we'll sacrifice. The problem lies within our communication," Queen Buzz did say. "We've lost our dance, the language that once led the way. In the past, they'd dance a jig, a dance of joy or plight, a dance that told the colony where to take flight. But times have changed, and we must adapt," said Queen Buzz. "Find a new dance, a dance that we can trust." Dot returned to the hive, her mind in a whirl. Determined to find a solution, she didn't twirl. She danced for the workers, a dance full of hope, a dance that led them to a new flower-filled scope. The workers followed, their trust in her strong, to the flower patches where the nectar belonged. The hive's food supply began to grow. Their numbers increased, their spirits did flow. "We've learned a valuable lesson," Queen Buzz did say. "When we communicate, we can overcome any delay. From this day forward, we'll dance our newfound song. In unity we'll thrive, our hive will never be wrong." The dance of the bees continues, their message loud and clear, reminding all who observe that communication's always dear. In every hive, in every community, big or small, the need for understanding is a wall that must fall. For when we dance together, when we share our hearts, we can face any challenge and conquer any parts.